Hey traders, welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a quick video, so please pay close attention. I saw a video of someone saying trading is all about 10% buying, 10% selling, and 80% waiting. If you're only going to look for buying and selling, you are going to lose your money in the market. That is a guaranteed loss. All right, so here we're looking at the current price. Okay, so now as you can see by my previous analysis here, I was looking for selling opportunities and I'm still looking for selling opportunities, right? So my overall bias is still bearish. Okay, I'm still looking for selling opportunities. However, I do have a trading plan, and when I am looking at the current structure, it does not follow my trading plan. Okay, so you need to sell or buy when your conditions are met. When you are looking at the current market structure and you are happy with the conditions, right? You look at your trading plan and then you see that everything is going according to your trading plan, and therefore you can continue placing your buy or sell position, right? So now, just like here at the top, I wanted price to go to the upside before we can start selling, but we can clearly see that price just started dropping to the downside, right? And now I did not place any sell here because this does not follow my trading plan, right? So now let us do something like this. If we stretch this line here and then extend it here at the top, and then now let's cancel the previous one. Okay, now let's take a look at this. Let me remove and now let me zoom in. Okay, so now as you can see, previously I had a line from here. Okay, I had a line from here and then it looked like price has broken down and now it has come to retest, right? This is exactly what it looks like, and someone here might place a sell position. Okay, might place a sell position right here because of the breakout and retest, right? But I am looking at the bigger picture here. I am looking at the bigger picture and I'm waiting for my setup to play out exactly as I want it to play out. So I have a trading plan and I'm waiting for this setup to play out according to my trading plan before I can start risking my money in the market, right? So now look at this pattern. Okay, this is a bullish pattern, right? So this is a bullish pattern, and normally when you see a pattern like this, price is likely to push to the upside. Now here's the thing, I'm not saying that price is going to push to the upside. I'm saying price is likely to push to the upside, right? Just like here, I was waiting for price to go to the upside in this zigzag pattern, because when you see a pattern like this, it is likely that price is going to push to the downside. Okay, so now we didn't have this pattern. It's okay, price just dropped to the downside. Now we're not chasing the market. If you start placing your sell positions right here, it means that you're chasing the market, right? The only place we could have risked our capital is here, because this was an impulse and a nice corrective move here, right? So now this is the only place we could have taken a risk and sell, right? Because there was an impulse correction and followed by another impulse, right? So now here I'm looking at the current price and I see this pattern, right? I'm looking at the current price and I see this pattern. And as I said before, when you see a pattern like this, you are looking for price to break to the upside, right? And again, it does not mean that price is going to push to the upside. I'm saying it is likely to push to the upside, and this is exactly what I'm looking out for, right? So now once price pushed to the upside, I'm now going to look for price to start pushing to the downside, right? Now from here, this means that I am going to look for selling opportunities, right? And my stop loss is going to be somewhere around here, right? So it's very important for you to have a trading plan, right? Because you'll know exactly what you're looking out for. So now what we can do is to scalp around here. Okay, we can place a buy position because we know exactly what we're looking out for, but only if price breaks out of this channel right here. Okay, only if price breaks out of this channel, that is when we are going to look for a short buy position right here, right? And then once price reach our trend line, our top trend line, that's when we are going to start looking for selling opportunities to the downside, right? Now take a look at this. Look at this structure. Okay, so what I'm looking out for is this middle part, right? You can see that we have an ascending channel right here. This is a bearish pattern, right? If you look at a bigger picture, this is a bearish pattern. And now inside this bearish pattern, we have this bullish pattern. Okay, we have this bullish pattern. That's why I'm looking for price to push to the upside before it can start dropping to the downside. So now this is going to be a short buy to the upside, and then we are going to place a sell position from there, right? Now it's very important for you guys to have a trading plan. I am looking at my trading plan, and which is why I am not rushing to place any buy or sell position. I'm waiting for price to play out exactly as I want it to play out. Okay, if you look here at the top, I wanted price to push up. Price did not go up, so therefore I did not place any buy or sell position because I was following my trading plan. And then now when I look at this pattern does not follow my trading plan. However, here at the current price, if price goes up, it is going to follow my trading plan. If price goes up, I am going to look for selling opportunities. Now before I close this video, remember guys, 10% buying, 10% selling, and 80% waiting. So now this is my 80% of waiting. I could have placed a sell position right here, but then this means I would be chasing the market. You don't have to chase the market. You have to know exactly what you want. Know exactly what you want, and to know what you want is to have a trading plan. When you have a trading plan, you know what you are looking out for. You know that this is what I'm following. Okay, when you are looking at the market, when you're looking at price going up and down, you know exactly what you are looking out for. So if I had placed a sell position, this means that I was chasing the market, right? So now you want to avoid chasing the market. You want to wait for price to come to you. Wait for price to come to you, and then you start placing your buy or sell position, right? Remember, 80% waiting. Patience, guys. Patience is very important.